Hi guys, I got the next box of the Tsum Tsum Monthly Subscription from the Disney Store for the month of October. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Some papers on the top. It looks like we have yellow tissue paper. Okay. Last time it was yellow, it was a Star Wars. This time it doesn't say Star Wars, so that doesn't necessarily mean that. And the size, it's kind of like it's not as big as the last one. Oh, wow! And you know what? I don't see an index card that tells you what the Tsum Tsums are. So that's a little disappointing. I just have Tsum Tsums. Okay. So yeah, there's no card telling you what it is. And in the other ones, like you would usually have a card, something that looks like that. So I'm a little disappointed that this is not in the box. But anyway, we have 3 Tsum Tsums, and looking at it, it looks like they're from the short, like a Mickey short called Runaway Brain. So here are the 3 Tsum Tsum that I got in the box. There wasn't a card with them, but here, this one is Mickey, and he looks scary. It's like Monster Mickey. They're from the short called Runaway Brain, and in the short, Mickey swaps brains with this guy. And when the monster's brain is in Mickey, he looks like this. Rawr. And then here, he looks like Pete, but in the short his name is Julius. And he's got like Frankenstein features. But yeah, he's like the monster. Although for part of the time he's Mickey because they swapped brains. And then the third Tsum Tsum is Dr. Frankenolly. But you can see he's got a lab coat. He's got his goggles up here and like the light bulb. And he's like a monkey. Definitely a unique set. I didn't expect this at all. I hadn't actually seen the short in a long time. I had to go and find it online and rewatch it. But yeah, it's definitely fitting for October with Halloween coming up. I'll definitely probably put them out as decoration. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. They're really cute. I'm disappointed that I didn't get the little card though. Just because I feel like it makes it a set when I have the card to go with it. This is how I feel about not getting my card. But yeah, I'll have to find out. I'll have to look and see if other people got their card. If you get the Tsum Tsum subscription, let me know if you got a card with your Tsum Tsums, or if it was just mine where they forgot to put one in there. So that's what I got in this month's box. The 3 Tsum Tsums from that Mickey short. So that's cool. But yeah, I'm a little disappointed, I'll be honest. Probably mostly because the card wasn't on top. And I do, the 3 loose Tsum Tsums, I always feel like, oh, I can go to the store and buy loose ones. But they are a cute set and definitely unique, so that's cool. Let me know what you think of the Tsum Tsums in the comments below. Like I said, they're definitely good for Halloween, so I'll be putting them on the table and keeping them out for the rest of the month. Yay! And don't forget to subscribe so you can see when we post new videos. Thanks for watching! Bye! Happy Halloween!